Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is moving up in very corrective patterns, so nothing clearly bullish here, but the momentum seems to be up at least in the short term. We might have topped here locally. So there are two wave counts that we want to talk about today. I don't think we've talked about the extended X wave in the last video. It's something I shared with our Discord members a few days ago, so let's talk about that here on YouTube as well. I'm basically exploring two scenarios because the price broke above initial resistance. That doesn't make it that doesn't make it clearly bullish. There's much more that would need to happen for a really bullish confirmation. That would be the blue scenario essentially. So in the blue scenario, I need all 5 waves completed to understand that wave 2 bottomed here and formed a substantial low. The problem is the initial rally is a 3-wave move. I can call that wave 1 in the blue count. And then the pullback would be wave 2. The wave 3 would also be an ABC structure. It needs to reach 39.55 or higher, and then we need another 4-5 pattern that reaches $45 plus. This is the roadmap how 5 waves would look like. That's the only way to confirm that really a substantial low has formed. And after we completed these 5 waves, we can call that wave 1, and I will add a support zone for wave 2 to the chart. And it's important to understand that there is currently a support region. If a pullback occurs now, it would likely be blue wave B, and support is between $21.95 and $25.23, which means I'm watching for higher prices, or at least give the bulls the opportunity to follow through, as long as the $21.95 level is holding. Any break below it would, for me, confirm rather that we're heading for another low. All right, so that's the key level. And obviously in the blue count, we could have topped in blue wave A, and we might have started blue wave B. Support levels, as I said, between $25.23 and $21.95. Now, this is where the white scenario comes into play, which could also extend still a little bit higher. And also the white count shouldn't really break below that support level. So that is where it goes together. And therefore, we can keep the same support area for both scenarios. The white scenario, however, could have already topped, but what I would prefer, even in the white count, where we are dealing with a WXY structure, this Y wave should get to the 100% extension at $32.83. Within the X wave, we have a small ABC structure that could have topped, but again, it might just, that Y wave might extend, so might also give us a pullback into support and then another rally. But it will depend on the bull's ability to break above that 32.83 level. What I can actually do, I can make that a little bit more prominent here, that 32.83 level. Let's make it a bit more relevant here on the chart. And that is a key level. That's the 100% extension, a typical target for a Y wave. And bottom line is just that even if we go above that level, as long as it's just a 3-wave move that started to unfold in August instead of blue 5 waves as per the blue count, there is no substantial confirmation that a low has formed on the 5th of August. Yeah, a local low, but it might just all be part of a larger correction which will lead to another test of lower support between $16.96 and $12.62. In the very short term, I'm now watching for the potential pullback here. So we have 3 waves down now. I mean, there's no real confirmation we've topped, but as soon as we hit 25.23, I think this is a B wave, at least, some kind of a B wave, whether that's in the blue count or the white count, doesn't matter in the very short term. And as long as we're holding, takeaway is, as long as we're holding $21.95, the focus could still be on higher prices. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.